Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create and verify Bitget account. So you can do it either on a website or on the application. And to do that, you can simply open any browser on your mobile phone and search for Bitget account. After typing in Bitget account and hitting enter, you will see some search results. We'll have to click on www.bitget.site. Click here and it is going to open up this page. Now, another way to do this is simply navigate to Play Store, click on search icon and search for Bitget. Then click on Bitget and install Bitget application on your mobile phone. Now, you can simply open the application, click on Get Started, enter your email or mobile number in this field and click on Next and you'll be able to create your account. Now after navigating to this page, click on Sign Up button at the top, enter your email, create a password and click on Create Account and follow the prompts. Now in order to do this on a website, you can simply navigate to the site and type in your email or phone number that you want to create the Bitget account with. Now after entering the email, click on Get Started. Here, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply click on Set Password. Now enter a strong password, then check out this box and click on Create Account. Now enter the verification code you received on your email and as you can see, when you enter your verification code, you would have successfully created your Bitget account. It will say account created. Now you'll have to just complete the identity verification to access all Bitget services. You can click on verify now. As you can see, before verification, you don't get crypto deposits, crypto withdrawals or trading and other services. But after you click on verify now and verify your account using all the documents, you'll be able to do crypto deposits, crypto withdrawals and trading and other services. So you can click on verify now and move on with the process. We'll have to simply provide your government issued documents, provide face recognition verification and the estimated review time is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Click on verify, then follow up with the prompts, complete the verification and you'll be successfully able to use all the features. As you can see, when I click on verify, it has promoted me to this level 1 where you'll have to basically enter your country, then choose an ID type through which you would want to create your account. For example, if I choose ID card, I'll click on continue. It will take me over to this page where I will have to choose this button, click on next. Now you'll have to basically allow this site for taking your picture. After you do this, your identity will be verified. You'll have to then provide government issued documents and you would have successfully verified your Bitget account. So that's how you create and verify Bitget account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.